Hey guys, it's Cara from Enchanted Vines, and today I'm going to show you how we're going to transform this plain mantle into a winter wonderland. All right, to secure this garland to the mantle, we want to have some heavy duty pieces in place. So we're going to be using Command products. So these are cord bundlers. I have one on each end of our mantle. These are great for a lot of different uses, just, again, bundling cords on like appliances that you don't really use often. If you look at my steamer in my workshop, I have the cord bundled because I don't use it that often. And then we're going to use 3 of these command hooks. They hold up to 3 pounds. So I put those 3 in the center because that is the heaviest part of our garland. All right, so let's go. And as I'm doing this, things are going to shift a bit since it's been moved from its original place, and that's okay. We just want to start by getting that main base of our garland held by these 3-pound hooks. Okay, once that is done, we're going to take our cord bundlers on the end and we are going to secure it there as well. Okay. If you have 2 people to do this, it would certainly be a lot easier, but you can do it solo if needed. So again, I want to be attaching using the very base of this because that is the most stable part. We've zip tied some of these decorative pieces in, but the main garland is what needs to be secured. All right, and so once we have that up, we're going to do some adjusting. We're going to do some bow fluffing. Some of our items, again, they have shifted out of place. Okay, I mean, sometimes when I do an installation, I might not even decorate it until I'm there. Actually, this is usually what I do, just to make sure. All right, and then we want to make sure that the star of our show is shining like she should be, and she is. And I'm going to pine cone that. And you can even zip tie your garland to the hooks if you want that extra level of hold. All right, and so this is going to need a little zhuzhing, a little bit of bow fluffing, but in general, this is how I attach my heavy garlands to my mantle. I love to have, my bows with long streamers. I did end up doing that scroll bottom on the velvet and satin ribbon. I thought that was a great idea, Andrew. I've never done that before. So yes, so this is my winter mantle using the TMI Gifts luxury garland set. Let me know what you guys think.